We're now going to take a look at adding multiple doors to a particular cabinet, or how Cabinet Parts Pro decides how many doors get a set number of doors. So typical wall cabinet, or a cabinet that is wider than say 21 inches, would get 2 doors on it. Anything at 21 inches and below maybe have a single door. Or you might have a tall unit that is 30 inches wide by 30 or 84 inches high. A cabinet like that would typically have 4 doors, 2 upper size doors and 2 lower doors that balance the difference out. So we're going to take a look at how to set that up. We're going to take a look at doing that so for a tall cabinet. So if we go into the tools and then settings, using the drop down box to select tall cabinet and set the option to add doors to all tall cabinets. Then we'll come over and click the button for add doors to apply or change any settings that are applied to it. So we have the reveals. This is the distance between the doors. This is basically how much less the door width is going to be based on the cabinet size. Any cabinets that are less 21 inches or less are going to get a single door. Any cabinets that are 21 inches or less are going to get a single drawer front, one face. Typical of what we have here in the drawing, that single drawer would maybe be less than 30 inches. Typical reveals are all set, and the graphic on the right side is trying to depict what reveal and what setting does what. But what we are now focused on is the height of the upper door. It is set to be 30 inches. So for a tall cabinet, we have an upper door height of 30 inches. We have also set the option to add a cup hole. Basically have that set just so we could very easily see the doors in the nested view. So once any changes have been made, click Save, then close the settings. Use the drop-down box to select a tall cabinet, enter in the width, the height, the depth, and quantity. We have all of the options set that we want to have applied to this cabinet. Add to the cabinet list, then calculate nest. This has now given us a bottom door at 49 7/8 and a top door of 30 inches. That 30 inches is coming from the value that we had just set in the door settings. We also notice on the side multiple hinge holes have been added to accommodate the extra height or the extra doors that are stacked at the appropriate heights based on that 30 inches. Hope this was useful in determining and helping to determine how you could set Cabinet Parts Pro to have multiple doors, or just to be able to have Cabinet Parts Pro be able to produce your doors. Thank you for watching.